What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee here. This is limited edition and it's a V6 engine and 4.0 liter. So this is what this baby looked like. But however, we had these transmission lines right here leak on us. So they leaked from right down below. Right here is dripping right here. So right, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna go underneath. I'm gonna show you. So just to show you guys, this is the line that I bought. And this is the original lines here. We could not match nothing up, so I ran two lines right through here. I put clamps on. I did have to create like a nipple fitting in the front of it. I'm going to show you that. I got special tools for that. You don't want to just put the line on it because it will slip off, but there's like a groove right here. This thing will never come off. So I had to cut both of these lines right. All I did was loosen this right here, this bolt, kind of banged on this, tap tap tap. This, once this becomes loose, you could turn this, but the top one is like part of it's like seized in. I'm not sure if it's part of this seal bar in front of it. So I pretty much took this line and this mechanism right here off, bring it out, but this one I could turn it and use my tool right here. I'm gonna show you the tools that I got. This line is very strong, almost 500 psi. Evil Energy. There's a part number here, X002, E like Edward, A like Apple, 3, K like Kelly, J like Jack, D like dog. Okay, so there's no other numbers. They got a few fittings inside. If you want to use some hydraulic fittings, you need a special tool to clamp those two. So that's that. We're gonna put that baby aside. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go underneath the vehicle. So I ran the lines. You can see the lines coming right through here, so it's not hitting anything. It cannot hit anything. So let's go underneath. So I created a fitting here, and I did the same thing. I created like a little nipple mechanism there, so a special tool. I'm going to show you that. So this thing goes up above, and then it connects to the other line. So that's how both of these lines get connected on this Jeep. And if you ever have a leak, the only way you're going to have a leak, you got to leave this thing, got to be flexible, okay? You got to leave it because the engine moves around, so you got to leave it kind of flexible a little bit. So here's the box with all the tools that I used. So this is originally, I purchased this to do brake lines, to do double and bubble. So this is, I did an actual video on this, and I showed how to create the double and bubble on brake line. So in our case, we're gonna be using this large one over here. This is 3x8, and then we're gonna use some of these right here. So I got it all organized here. So let me show you guys how I did this. So here's a cutting tool. So I'm gonna divide this video into two. And if you want to do this, just want to learn how to just create the lines. So this kit is a very good kit. It's expensive. So first of all, remember that fitting that goes into the transmission side. Make sure that's there. So this will be the angle where make sure that the little fitting's in there too, and it's facing the correct, where the threads are going to be like not the opposite way. Sometimes it comes off and you put it the wrong way. So make sure all that. So select the area that you're going to put the line in, because that's where I selected it at, and then I cut it. So you need a clean, long surface. Just make sure your tool fits on it, so it's not like you cut it from right here, your tool's not gonna fit because it's an angle here. So let's go select the spot here. This is a show and tell, so the more you leave is the better. So this is just a cutting tool, so this thing slides in just like that, then it grabs on just like that, and all I need to do is do my adjustment from this little knob here. So it will just, the blade will just keep going in further and further. So what I usually do is do one turn, two turn. I'll feel it like it's loose now. Another, I will twist it and just give it a quarter of a turn. Go slowly, because you don't want to just pinch the damn line, and just keep going. And you could create doubles and bubbles with this on brake line. There you go. Whoop, where did the line go? So this is useless to me from right here. So just think of it, this is the angle we're gonna use, and they had a fitting here that's gonna connect to the transmission, and the hose goes on the opposite side. So first, what we need to do is, this thing fits in it beautifully right here. So if you're doing brake lines, you need to see, because there's a flat side of it, and then there's a curved side to it, some of these. So this goes in there perfectly, and it might be a little bit bigger, but that's fine. So this is where this handy dandy tool comes in. So this goes in here, and let's open this up. So maybe this is not the one. Yeah, this is the one I used. I've been using this all day, and this baby goes right in. It's gotta go in. You know what we're gonna do? There you go. It goes in, and this end gotta be flush. So usually this tool right here, this It has a flat one just like that one. What that's gonna do is if you put this in, it's gonna push your line, and don't lock it up yet, okay? Because it's gonna make everything flush for you right there. So leave it there and don't let it move. And then we're gonna lock this baby up right here. And since it's so big, it's a little bit big, I don't want to cramp it up too much, and I'm gonna leave it there. So now we need to select the one I used here was, like I was showing you guys, the biggest one, largest one, which was this one right here. So this is 5/16. You could use different adapter. This gotta come off, I forgot. And this gotta come off. And this guy goes in, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna push that, and it's gonna create like a little nipple there, like a bubble there for you. And like I said, it works beautiful on brake lines. There you have it. And once it's flush, you want to come out. Sometimes I look at it, I judge it. Okay, since this is not gonna be where the pressure is gonna be stopped by compressing it and locking it in, pipe is gonna be going on it. That's fine. And what I want to do now is I want to use the biggest one I have here. What this is gonna do is it's gonna spread the mouth of it, and this baby goes on. So like I said, this kit, I did a video on it. Just check it out. How brake line tool, RB the mechanic, you will find it. So I just want to open the mouth here. I don't want to go crazy with it. I don't want to like soften it up. So our line should be ready here, okay? So if you do any hydraulic line you're doing, and if you want to create that nipple, even if the fitting's gonna go in, the fitting will work on it too. So there we have it. Okay, this tool's got to come out. There you go. Now we could put a pipe on it and put a clamp on it. It's never gonna come out. If you don't have that, then your pipe will shoot out. There you have it. So perfectly good. Use this and create your line by this magical little tool. All right, guys. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Always check for leaks when you're done. Safety is first, okay? Safety is the biggest concern here, okay? If you mess up, you could cut this off. You could use even an air cutter here. And I do have other tools like how to clean the center of the line, so you don't want that particles and metals in there. So see you guys on the next video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up.